There are questions nga kung whether Congress should hold a joint session. And while it was settled, ano sir yung...
Ano bang basis? Nasaan ang invasion? Tagasan ng invaders? Nasaan ang rebellion? Kaya tama si Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana, wala namang kayang need to inflict martial law. Ngayon, ito namang Senado at House, ganun na talagang they are not voices, they are echoes. Kung ano sabihin ni Digong, yes sir, yes sir. The Defense Secretary himself saw no need. Kaya sinabi niya, he did not recommend. Ang hirapan yan, meron siyang cabinet na ginagamit. Pati ba naman yung anak ni Clinton inaaway pa. Hindi na dapat patulan yun. Iwanan niya na lang kina Salpanelo yun.
So, do you see this extending beyond spirit or expanding?
Well, wala naman tayong epektong nakikita Dahil siguro, yun nga, kung mo nasasalig ang batas, 60 days, yun isang kisap mata lang yun Pero hindi ko nalalaman ng epekto on the general populace except the suffering and the hardship of those living in Marawi, to be homeless, to be killed. But otherwise, overreaction yan overkill. That could have been done as a surgical police or military operation without scaring the Visayas, Luzon, without scaring tourists, without scaring prospective investors, at pati yung mga pamilya natin at mga kaibigan abroad. Anong nangyayari dyan?
So you think that parang Congress lost its chance to speak out on the matter, sir?
Sino?
Ang Congress, sir. Parang lost its chance.
May Congress ba tayo?
Sir, hindi naman maaabuso sa tingin.
Hindi po, puro tameme Imagine, sinabi ng kasi at least noong panahon ni Marcos, the Secretary of National Defense recommended Manong Jani. Pero ito sabi ni Delfin Lorenzana, I wasn't consulted. Ngayon, yung mga iba naman doon, puro jojo ngayon I mean, wari.
Sir, when you said that Congress parang tameme, dapat ba they convened to discuss the merits?
Well, at least formality dahil history will look at what happened. And each congressman, each senator should go on record on where they stand on it and give a legally tenable, intellectually respectable, and psychologically satisfying basis kung bakit ang posisyon nila pro or anti. Ito
Kasi they're saying daw you only convene to revoke or to extend martial law. So,
may hindi nga mag-meeting
so tama ba yun, their interpretation na you only convene daw to revoke or extend? Kasi yun daw yung nakalagay sa Constitution.
Well, yes. Kasi ngayon, ang isa namang kaibahan talaga doon sa unang saligang batas at saka ito ngayon, yun walang limit Ito binigyan ng 60 days lang. Kaya si Senator Pacquiao, may hindi na-interrupt yung training Kaya kitang-kita mo, sabi sa dyaryo, may mga nakalusot na mautero sa Sarangani. Di dapat naman yung congressman or senator from the place, I am canceling the fight, I'm going home to Sarangani to help my people. Pero yung kitang-kita mo na hindi mga datong pinag-uusapan, kundi datong. Kaya kawawang bayan, kawawa mga anak at mga apo natin.